Let's explore the secret of beautiful skin. Natural rose water is made from petals of roses and helps in skin rejuvenation and repairs skin too. Keep the natural radiance intact. It refreshes skin and gives a soothing effect. Are you not happy with the present state of your skin? Despite a lot of care, we always miss something and face the consequences later on. Pigmentation, dark circles, scars, etc. makes us feel less satisfied. From moisturizing to scrubbing, we put our efforts to make our skin look better, but you really can't. Keep the natural radiance intact with just all this. How much attention do you pay on the ingredients of the product? The answer is only a few. If any fine day you get to read it, you will find many harmful chemicals in it. Now you will say organic products are not affordable. But there are some brands which you can afford and rely on. Coming on the organic products, we can use pure rose water, lavender water, sandalwood water, etc. Want to know in detail about them? Scroll down. Natural rose water. Our skin is a barrier to UV radiation, dust, pollution, etc. We need to keep it hydrated all the time. But we apply a layer of chemical-ridden moisturizers. Try applying rose water daily. Natural rose water is made from petals of roses. It helps in skin rejuvenation. It repairs skin to keep the natural radiance intact. If you have pigmentation, dark circles, or any other problem, use rose water made through the process of steam distillation. Natural lavender water. Lavender water is made through fresh lavender petals. It not only cleans the skin well, but also removes makeup. If you are looking for a product to fight aging signs, lavender water is the best choice. The effect of pollution on our skin is already there, and when you apply chemical-filled products, the condition turns worse. The benefit is not limited to this only. Natural lavender water. Balance skin tone. People with sensitive skin can also use lavender water. Sandalwood floral water. Sandalwood has been used since ancient times in our country. It has been used in religious practices also. Sandalwood water made through the steam distillation process is apt to use on any skin type. It refreshes skin and gives a soothing effect. It is a mood uplifter and is also used for the treatment of depression. Some people feel irritation on the skin as the level of pollution is high. Using sandalwood floral water daily will help in the reduction of irritation of the skin. The use of these face mists is not restricted. You can use these face mist in your face pack. You can also use it in your face pack, face mask, etc. Read the ingredients carefully before buying the product. Generally find article. These face mists can be used on any skin type, but if you must try it on a certain portion of your skin. Thank you for watching and smash that like button.